Hello everyone, my name is Lavkesh and I am from Team CodeStreak. Our theme for this hackathon is education, as it says right here on our website. After spending more than 100 billion on Indian education system, we are still facing things like unqualified and uninterested teaching staff, outdated teaching methods, students are not interested, and things like that. So our idea is to basically provide a platform to for students, for teachers, for schools, so that it can create a healthy competition between the students to learn more and more things in their life. We are trying to award badges to students based on their real life achievements and their online tests and everything. So our website basically works in two ways. There is client and there is students. Clients are basically the schools, institutions, websites that use our website, and students are basically the users or student of that particular institute or website. So first I'm going to do a client login. In the client login, what happens here is in the console you can see a workspace. Workspace basically is a file explorer. Here you can create folders, create upload badges, cut, copy, paste, delete, and all the things like that. What schools or institutions can do is they can create folders and badges on different subjects. They can create badges based on weekly or monthly competitions or tests, and for other activities. After uploading the badge, all to share a badge with the student, all he has to do is enter the email id of that student. We can add multiple email ids just separated with the commas, and we have to write some message and some criteria for that badge, and just have to click send, and the badge will be shared with that student. We can also write a student number or their parents number or things like that. That is no problem. You can see we have already earned the badge right here, and this is the badge we selected. You can see it. The timeline section of our website, timeline basically represents the path taken to achieve a course. Like let's say there is an English course, so what should the path a student should take to complete that course, or maybe there is some test that he has to complete and things like that. To create a timeline, a school or a teacher just have to enter the timeline name, and then you can create the timeline right here. And this is basically a very simple tree-like structure that anyone can use with no knowledge of coding whatsoever. Here all you have to do is write the name of that badge that you have, and if the badge is found, it will automatically be replaced by that image, and if not, then it will be kept at test. You have to just click submit timelines, and you can see the timelines, weekly timelines and monthly timelines, things like that. We are still working on statics part. I hope it will be completed before our main presentation. In the student login, let me show you. So in the student login, what student is basically sees all the badges that he has until now. He can see based on like school names, which date he earned, what is the name of that badge, things like that. After he clicks a badge, we are planning to show here the criteria for this badge and a message given by teacher, things like that. On the right side, we can see there is QR code. Each QR code will be generated unique for that badge. We are using Google API to generate the QR code, and the download certificate button is also there, but it's not currently working right now. We hope to make it work before our main presentation too. All the QR codes and the download certificate, they will be completely dynamic. They will be created on the go for that student. In the timeline section, as we have already shown you, schools or institutions can create different timelines. So a student can subscribe to those timelines. Let's say like a school have maybe 50 timelines. So a student can see, okay, these are the timelines that I wanted to subscribe, and then he can pursue that path. All he need to is click subscribe that, and it will be shown in the subscribed here. It's not working, but it will work, definitely work before the presentation. Here he will see like how many badges he has earned, what is the last badge he has earned, and how many are more to go, and things like that. And here he can basically see what journey he wants to achieve next. Like okay, he wants to pursue his career in coding, he can subscribe to coding timelines, and then he can start working on them. Or let's say he wants to improve his English, then he can subscribe to English timelines and then can start working on them, and things like that. So this is the basic structure of our website. Some things are not working, but they will start working before our main presentation, and that will be all. Thank you.